What if you want to block out the heat and the sun from your new generation 9-5? Maybe you want to tint your windows, maybe you don't. Maybe you want to have your windows tinted during summer and not during winter. Stick around and see me mount the original sunshades from SAAB. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to mount the original sunshade from SAAB and the window above the boot. It's actually two halves that you put together, and the sunshades for the rear side windows. They look like this. So it's one piece that will cover both the glasses. You also get an instruction manual, exactly what to do and where to put these mounting clips in metal so that the sunshade will stay in place. The sunshades also comes in this little bag. Some of you may have seen this on my Instagram account. So now you all know what's in the bag. So today we're going to mount these sunshades. It's good because it's very sunny and it's warm outside. And I'm going to start off with the window above the boot. So without further ado, let's get to work. So, as it states in the manual, you need to have these long ones into place. So you put them on the sunshade, and these will just be holding onto the inside ceiling. So you have circles exactly where to put those ones. So we're going to put these in place. And if we look at the two halves, there's a SAAB logotype there. And I think that's intended for the inside of the car. So basically, the sunshade will be like this. And then you have the SAAB logo inside. So let's put those clips on according to the instruction. It's very easy. You just put them here. Like this. And over here. So there you have them now. And the next one. Like this. And the last one over here. So now they're ready to be mounted. Let's start off with the left one. And as you can see, these metal mounting things will go inside the ceiling to hold the sunshade up. And you need to get that behind, just like this. And the other side as well. And then you can use this to pull the sunshade up. To get that perfect fit. And now it's in place, I think. And it's time to put in the left one as well. Before we do that, you have this small clip here that will hold these two together. So that's something that we need to put in this one before attaching the other one. So I will put this in the middle here. Like this. And then start to mount this one as well. Let's just see how this fits over here. It looks nice. Let's try to put this together with the other one now. Like this. And then let's try and slide this into place. So maybe you should try and attach this after you get it in place here at the top. And now let's put this together. All right. Looks kind of nice. Easy way of mounting and easy way of removing, maybe during winter time when it's getting much more dark outside. Now let's move on to the side windows. So for the side windows, the rear side windows, you need to just roll down the glass, so we can actually slide this in here and mount it here in this area and down here. So you have two different mounting clips. You have a small one and you have a longer one. And the small one is down here and the longer one is up here in this angle. So let's put this in place. Let's put the long one here in the angle. They're actually a bit tight, so you need to use some force. And then the small one down here. So like this. The small one, the longer one, the SAAB logotype on the inside. So let's slide this in like this. And it falls into place in here. And then we need to, with some force, get the clip in down there and that one on the top. And now let's open the door and do the final adjustments. So now it's in place, just inside the glass. And we can try and roll the window up. So I just need to start the electronics of the car. And now let's give it a try and check that the glass is okay here. Yeah, we're fine. And remember that when you're driving, don't lower the glass too much. So in the manual it says you need to keep 2/3 of the glass in place. So probably something like this. Otherwise this might fall out during driving, and that's not a good idea. Now let's move on to the other side. Now it's the same procedure on this side as it was on the other side, of course. SAAB logo in the inside, small clip down here, the larger clip up here in the angle. And let's slide this in and put it in place like this. And let's open the door and make the final adjustments. Now let's roll the window up. And here we have it. So that was actually a really easy job, don't you think? Putting these in place, I don't know, less than 10 minutes or something. And now you can easily remove this if you don't want to. So if you're like me, you can't really decide, should I tint or should I not tint the windows? Well, you can always buy the sunshade from SAAB. So it's an easy mount. I will put the link to the part number and the mounting instruction in the description section. You can buy this online, or you can just visit your certified garage. So I'm going to finish off this DIY with some clips of the car outside in the sun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care and drive safe.